So my name's Jordan Bella. I'm from Apex Engineering and Management. So we are a multidisciplinary consultancy that focuses on civil, structural, mechanical and project management delivery for local government clients as well as the mining sector. So what I love most about Boardroom is probably the networking piece and being able to bounce ideas off other people who have done the same things I'm aspiring to do and really just get motivated by what's worked well for them, some of their lessons learnt and everything like that. I think the key point of difference is just the relatability of everyone in the group and not just relying on one person's experience. One-to-one coaching can be great for learning about, I guess specific strategies and everything else, but ultimately it's only one person's lived experience. Having a whole group, you can bounce ideas off, small enterprises, medium, large guys that are 5 steps ahead of where you want to be. And I think that really allows you to keep that bigger vision of if you go down this path, you can achieve something similar. So in our time with Boardroom, the biggest thing has probably been around upgrading our identity and changing our mindset. They're really going from that quite stagnant frame of mind of, we're just floating by, we're happy with what we're doing, to probably more of a growth mindset around, what sort of systems and structure do we need in place to go from where we are now to where we want to be in 5 years' time, and probably really questioning ourselves about why we're doing this and what our end goal is about the whole reason we're in business. So since joining Boardroom, we have gone on quite an aggressive growth strategy, or growth journey, I should say. So we've really 5x'd our revenue in the last sort of 12 months, which has been a really challenging time, but really rewarding time as well. We've learned a lot about ourselves, and as well as learned a lot about what we can achieve if we put our minds to something. So, I definitely say, a big thing that's come from this is being able to really hold that bigger vision there and not be scared to shoot past it, even if you didn't initially think you could. Definitely recommend Boardroom to other people, but I have recommended it to a few other businesses that I partner with a lot. I think there's a lot of value that can be brought out of what Boardroom is about if the right person is involved. I think you've got to be in the right headspace to be open to feedback and open to growth and open to improving, but Boardroom definitely fosters the environment to do that.
Yeah.